Do you know how successful people invest every second of their time to yield $1 million? Whether rich or poor, educated or illiterate, pauper or president, all of us have 86,400 seconds a day, no more, no less. 86,400 seconds, my friends, is all you have to dream, to love, to live and to achieve whatever you wish. 86,400 seconds a day to save, to invest and to create abundance. Banking on my 34 years with one of the best time investors in the world, the Indian Army, I have put together proven time investment strategies in my book called $1 Million Second. Invest your time in reading it and join the league of high achievers. Hurry, as lost time cannot be recovered, not even for $1 million, which is the true value of every second.